Hey guys, Jake, honey, well, he got stung by a bee, and like on the face, it's really bright. I can't
Is it
see
all that area?
It's like right on his nose. You guys can't see because of the sun. I don't want you guys. Oh, Jake. I hope you're okay.
He'll be okay. We just gotta get him comfortable.
I'm a little scared. Because he has like bumps on his face. I don't know
Okay,
if
so
you
it's
can
not my
see.
imagination?
No, it's not your imagination. It's definitely not your imagination. He's freaking out. Aw, baby. It's okay. It's okay, Jake. See his bumps I'll try to take a picture of him when we get inside so you guys can see. But look, do you see three bumps for some reason? Do you see like that? We're not crazy because there was a bee in the house and I hate things that sting. What is he doing? Aw, it's okay.
Trying to get there.
So Jake is really, oh my gosh, he got stung by a bee and there's like 3 bumps on there. It's really bad. He's been freaking out. He threw up already. I mean, he's been stung by a bee, or he either ate it or got stung by it, and it was all fine, but like, can you guys see? If you kind of stop moving, please. Aww. I think he might have gotten a taste of it, or maybe the venom spread it to his mouth. I bet that's what happened. But he did that before, so we didn't think it was a big problem that he tried to eat another one.
We weren't sure that he got that because he didn't really react to that last one.
Yeah, he didn't react, and it was just his face. He was just kind of going like it was really annoying, but.
This church.
Are we gonna get dressed, or are we just gonna go in this? Because I got slime on my shirt.
I mean, of all day, I played basketball.
Do you see that? No, I made slime, like this blue slime, and it was really fun, but I forgot it was Saturday.
Can you pull your hair back?
Oh, are you okay? Oh, he was scratching his face so hard I thought he was gonna start bleeding. So I tried to stop him. He didn't like that. Oh, Jake, you're gonna make me cry. Okay? No, you're not okay. Oh. We just noticed that his eyes were like swelling and. Oh, Jake, I know, I see it. Whoa, that's a lot of hair.
It makes me wonder what's going on in his ears, too.
Oh, Jake.
You see in his ears?
His whole face is swelling now. We're just trying to get... Oh, Jake, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, I thought that was him. I was so scared. Like, he's panting. He's fine. He's breathing. But do you guys see that it's like by his nose where it's kind of big? Do you see that? And then his eyes, mostly this eye. I don't know. Oh, Jake, it's swelling. We're okay. It's okay. Anywhere but his face. He always tries to bite those things. Anytime we see a bee, we're just gonna have to kill it. I don't want this to happen again. Jake.
Can you take a picture or two?
Yeah. At the doctors, well, not doctors, but the animal clinic, and his head is swollen now.
Jake, sit.
Sit. Sit.
He's just facing. Okay, if you can sit,
I don't know if I can see him. He doesn't look very. He looks old. Like really old.
That's what he looks
His eyes. Look. It's really. Oh, do you guys see it? Oh, Jake. He's like, now it doesn't.
I need to look him over.
Oh, his eyes.
Let's
Oh.
I think we should take this off too, but I know. Let's wait and.
Well, yeah.
But I'm wondering because he kept looking this
Eyes
way.
are like a little purple around there. Oh, Jake. Aw.
Are his feet swollen at all too? Does his feet look swollen?
No.
No.
They're just always big.
They're always big like that?
Yeah. Jake,
See, maybe you won't eat a bee again.
No, he didn't learn from last time. Oh, Jake, he has so many bumps. Let me get you in for that in slow-mo right now.
Here, look at me. I gotta get straight on. Here, turn it. Because if I get straight on, it really shows it. Remember, he kept looking this way. I don't know why.
Jake doesn't look like Jake.
See the ears. How does that ear look?
It looks a little red, but it looks fine, I think. It looks really a little red. But it's just his face. Have you ever like jammed your finger, guys, and you just did this like a lot, and it just kind of made it feel better for that 1 second? I think that's what he's. Look at that.
That's his neck. That is his neck.
That's the exact thing I did when I jammed my finger and it was swelling. Look at his. Oh, Jake.
It's hard to tell if he's swollen in his neck.
Looks so bad. Oh, I'm so scared.
Let me see his tongue. I don't look at his tongue enough. His tongue looks swollen.
It does?
Well, it looks bigger, like not swollen like plump, but maybe it's just because he's been so much.
Ew. Oh, that almost
You
messed
saw
up.
that dog over there.
Oh. Look at all this slobber on the floor. It's just everywhere.
Look at me, sugar. Come here.
His eye.
Calm me down.
His eyes. Oh. You're so funny. Okay. I'm waiting for the doctor to give him some swelling medicine and maybe some stuff to take home just in case something gets worse with his eyes. Oh, he doesn't look like Jakey.
It doesn't.
Glad I wasn't on this side.
Wet.
Aww. I'm gonna put a picture up of him right now and Jake when he was Jake. That is when he was sick, when he got stung with the bumblebee. Here's another picture. Aww, he doesn't look like Jake. But now, right here, this is when he's all better. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button down below and subscribe.